also raised here. So share the median age. Yes, our Africa now age. Africa 19 years. Over Ghana, they averagely 21 years. Now say mabuni here juma.
Yeah.
Baby back one me unemployment say security threat na Ghana Police Service Facebook page. Omoche Ann Roberts na ko he age na Ghana Police church no. 19 21 when you crowd 30 years. So when it comes to unemployment, it's a national security threat. A threat. I say ubia any eba. In fact, I share World Bank data last week. Na share data no. There are about 400 million young people in Africa. They are between the ages of 15 and 35. 15 and 35. But so omo ehfa no mo kwaye juma. And mostly na ya by na no more surprise. Omo ba why you jobs no youth in trees, youth in forestry, youth in say say juma na social security. Say juma no any proper health insurance. Any bibia sa 700 500 cedi near the mamebu na asi.
Yeah.
But they be able to advocating for say we must create sustainable jobs.
Yeah.
And I've told you that we cannot reinvent the wheel. When you read the story of the Chabas, when you go to Singapore, when you go to Asia, how they live from poverty to prosperity, industrialization, innovation, and technology. You think 3 we shouldn't proud about as you just criticism models. You know, that model you creative. Just Google, just do a desktop research. 1-2 years, no more picketing, so my allowance in creating meaningful jobs.
Yeah.
Industrialization. Sajumano, it's your social security. Into o pension be bit that wachi. Eswensu be bit that wachi.
True.
I hope that.
Yeah.
And again, you see, I didn't who unemployment. I was sorry, nani baby ako. Uboni wa word be susceptibility.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
A book point too.
A book point too. Obiet na me metia yesi yanko tubo baby a me da ako.
Oh, adwuma me sorry ahomachi mani abre me be adwuma.
Me ntimi nko.
Me ni baby kura ako.
Enti no unia adwuma even your psychological makeup the papa say na wo dwen undwen nsisi so.
Yeah.
And again, another angle of say I think that we need to also focus on skill development.
Yeah.
Akwa manya yetimu. Enti na dey na mani abre GS so you see we don't work with statistics, emotional state assemble you can emotionally.
Yeah.
Ghana nkwa na economic employment and a friend national chairman of a political party. It doesn't make sense to me. On top of my head, Ghana Statistical Service catch there say you onkra 2 million na. Omuni adwuma, omuni training institutions. Yes, we can't track them in come here NEET, not in employment, not in education, not in training.
Yeah. Sure.
Me catch there say what's the nkra fail 51% they fail here. Omon kocho near 461,000, meaning that about 230,000 are fail. And no, oman na hu say ankra no mo wen. Don't was saying na cultural remedials. Don't was saying na ekosua adwuma. Already no my catch was enkra na pass no. We should free SHS record about 8 years ago until Mahama no free stress anybody. Just about 43% transition into tertiary. Into 230,000 year 1 year. In the last 8 years, the average is say be 100,000. How qua? In excess of almost 1.2 million. Which institution is tracking this in Kola? The police for Chakron for data no.
Yeah.
19 years, 20
18,
years.
21.
They say who an robber already 40. Me who be charged police Facebook.
Your bro so could be at 30, 35.
Who the police website, police Facebook people na ko ages no. You see, so I see me ani kon a security threat. I say me ani e ko sa de no pa.
It's very important.
It even has a bearing of how the country is shaped. They be make say me say yes say o person who a country be country papa he dey wo treating them ma and nkwala enya the papa in created you mama bu nenye the schools using develop a curriculum relevant me methodology and climate science me na aviation meteorology na say metena wiem hye hu ye fresh cloud be nimbus cloud na what na plane we shuki no say mu sa de me wie US adama US government adama na mko full plane me course 4 years am full plane that there was literally no practical aspect of what I read.
Yeah.
So you can't connect with that. But you see, say education is practical. It gives you some verve. Obroni beka a man watenka bi wo musa wo betimi de won saye bibi. What I say?
Yeah.
Na say no be busam o YouTube editing ni bibia. Man obi nya kire.
One higher one.
Yeah, YouTube no. Sa de na mi sua ne kakra ukọ videos ho. Entu ye mabu ade bia mkasa kokwa oku school a. Aside nye usua no. Unsa man for brother say menya journalism. You mark ne ade ni ko bi da. Me pure science student.
Yeah.
Ba na me ye bia na eye kodwo dan to no masua no. Ba na na blend no masua no. Advancements na masua no. Me fa me to data metan social media ni atam.
Yenyina obiya ni wa wansua bibi
so ati ase etu usua sa ade no mitimi gira ni pretty gira ni pa 100 tanya kasa me hompopo Michelle Baumia mitimi so mic bu bisa na question Michelle president me hompopo because me go school no me kwa asore na me acting nti ye state play ni ade me ba CC bia me hu nipa dodo no nti me hu wo ba bia you can't intimidate me ha abrofo nkole oni ye Ghana ni gira wa asa timidity bi Sad ninya eye confidence obetimi dia ye na akokwa mabu no obi che whiskey nya wanum
siebi
na nsan ya obi testing me so pekakra na jam Sunday no kakra akokwa my friend in 2 days me to so on the phone as okoye swapping phone say no so iPhone 15 uni adwuma wo
iPhone 15
bodi a wuti indomie bi ni nche ho upe bi ata di so woda dika woni enka wadwen adwuma ka 11 2005 2000 de fa bibi yensu mabu na ya bana me ka ko ba bi yanu we are not thinkers
sure
you see yanyene we were akokwa o business a de bia bibi ba ya ma me mo ye dwuma wo anu muska bebresi ye o na bosumi nkositum de tuma sasa bonu de bi ohun skanim
na nse mehu nurse ni bi oye aduane ewo eye ekuru na sem ne se ono no nko ye adwuma kura because sika wonya no ho no ejimi because a week no o si week bia no wanya kura na 2000 3000 de obenya eti se wono nya week 2000 na o multiply by a year oje be 8000 plus o so nko ye adwuma
nurse wako anim kura 3000 to 3005 no kura taxes mai
ye better taxes be
bi anim na se me ko ba bi me ko news site bi ne bonko mo bi edanu musisi ni nyina papa o ton phone case wo tendency me baby amete be landlord oyo ya de yi de so pama de
sure
wasi abrosan ma me enya baby te mo bi a professor resident ya esi 2 bedroom enti akokwa life
munsua bi o munsua nsan numa ne ade bia skills na munya
sa English no structure we can speak it after we go to school we can speak it but one hwe wo te biam na boa ho ha butrike what else my cancer san be you serious country by now the governor of the Bank of Ghana the director of FIC SEC science institutions that we need to logo them heads must be rolling how can a butrika be clearing cars what is his job your money obekum na kronfo not ya sorry any because we try tight kese our morality is sold on the altar of money who scan kwan dia beto di semfu bia promo
bia nkan re
eden na brand ti bi yi cars
recast wo gina ho
adwuma ben pan na papa kofo kra ma mabọ bra omo works under their belt kra no be yesei ene he ne nhwe han obekom na bank scan ne faba no staff bi wo ho on that man me can say GP scandals mo dem mo ye na we me anya wona they state institutions okay, and no, me kind of grand jury statement referred by Cleveland, Ohio office one. I'm tracking in 2023. So, what was our state institution? How did Bank of how come I see it? Your bank is a who could send $1,000 pay. Ama will be. Phones are over filling. First time I YouTube make a crab aqua. Now I feel it from when I feel. You see, so that's why I don't want to go far. I always want to use me personal experience. The frustrations you go through. But how did they happen? You see, our country, that is how we fix issues. That is how we fix issues. We must be able to ask questions and demand that state agencies work. Cleveland statement in banks. So how is the Bank of Ghana allowing dollars? How is the money coming into the country? Now, come me no hey. Sabe ya ko bank crash ye ko yi 10,000 20,000 and ni bi yo mo de be hwe
Enyasem getwa.
And again, your moral fiber of society. Linear statistics. Okwa Ghana Statistical Service 2021 housing and population census. Okay. Say the average household in Ghana is 3.4. You know what that means? So papa or and mommy you asa. We grew up in the standard family system.
Yeah.
Into Swabi or Febi is also an iron. Yes, and your good family system. No?
Sure.
Into your create Jimmy and Sabe, we need to for and then calculate.
Yeah.
But first, you have a 10 year work of fee, a charge. We had positive dividend. I see our policymakers, some bar, we copy as how we run education.
Yeah.
We copy everything blindly. I check quadratic equation in Brofo. I can't bear the similarity. I can't
now question
English language, you know, only 6. The last pass mark, check quadratic equation. Schrodinger equation in English. How can I imbibe it? Better than Matthias said, so all these things dovetails into your dream.
Yeah.
I put the Opa, Sankola, I won't share from any matter. There was a role model. Obino, question criminal. I put Trika. No about Kusmook. No about show boy. No the Shatawala Kahun. Then council almost positive sides. But you know, your role model, now Dr. Ben Carson. Uchidibia, Prarin free.
Yeah.
Gifty auntie. Mama Bobra.
Yeah.
And I hope what person say Ghana in society may be a corner be a TikTok. And then correct to meet so cameras to the president at them. I correct to me teacher Johnson and a better too.
Yeah.
Who born dog?
Yeah.
Serious. So cocan. Yesterday, human rights.
Human rights. The amount. Me das Eugene say to the fact checker and Otin and Canona